What's good? Welcome back to the next vid. So what are we doing today? What are we doing? We're marking up GU. Let's see what is basically our bias. Let's see what do I expect. Let's try to make some sense of this. I was saying GU was to 2400, but as I looked over it over the past couple of days, GU is really looking like it's the downtrend now. Like it's the move down now. So what do we see now happening with GU? Okay, so let's go down to, let's say, the weekly. Let's go down to the weekly. All right. On the weekly, what can we do? Okay, I see a fib. Let's draw the fib. Let's see how the fib is looking on the weekly. All right, so let's see if this is respecting the fib. Okay, so what's the fib? Okay, this right here is called the Fibonacci. Okay, with the Fibonacci is basically like what you should do with the Fibonacci chart from the relative high to the relative low. So from the higher highs to the higher lows. Okay, and that should gives you basically idea or bias of where the market should retrace. All right, so we tend to see markets retrace at 0.5 area. As we could see inside this, did it make it? I don't think it made it. But the fib isn't the only thing you should use as your confluences. Okay, did the fib do it? No, but it did reverse off the 0.382. That's also a next reversal area too. All right, but I personally get my entries off the 0.5. This would be a trade I didn't miss. All right, I mean that I missed. Okay, all right, so let's look at it on the daily. The daily, not the week. Not the daily, it's the weekly. Let's go back on the weekly. Let's see where we are. All right, on the weekly, where we touched the 0.5 area, like I said. All right, that's exactly where the market retraced. The market reversed at the 0.5 area. See, boom, a tweezer top is there. What is a tweezer top? Okay, let's go look at this right quick. A tweezer top, boom. Okay, so like whenever we see, like, the market really does patterns. All right, I'll have to show you guys more candlestick patterns in the future, but for now let's focus on this, a tweezer top pattern. With a tweezer top pattern, it's basically, it gives us confluences that, hey, like, more than likely the market will do this. All right, so with the tweezer top pattern, we have a bullish candle, then we have a long bearish candle. More than likely it will be an engulfing candle. All right, so if you can see right now, let's go back here. We're on the 0.5, an entry placed on the Fibonacci, and plus we're made a tweezer top, an engulfing candle. All right, so I was thinking to use 0.24, but this is the reversal right here. Now that I actually sat down and thought of it, I was like, why are you fighting the trend, Jermaine? Because I posted on my Snapchat Thursday, I lost about 249 around there. Trying to sell the market down. Trying to buy the market up. No, I sold it down. But I missed the trade. Yeah, it was. But basically, I was like, Jermaine, why are you fighting the trend? Look for the sell now. Like, yeah. I was going to wait for markets to come back up to 0.24. Then I was going to get in for the sell because I was going to swing it down. I was preaching this 800 pip trade. But yeah, take what the market gives you. So I changed my bias. So we can see we're on the 0.5 extension on the Fibonacci. And yeah, the market head down. We have this big bullish this big bearish candle now. This engulfed the past 2 days. Plus, it's also the break in the trend line. So what I'm thinking now is probably, let's go down to the 4 hour. Let's see. Okay, so we can see I would expect a retest, but I don't know. I can't see a retest happening, but I could probably see GU coming up today when the market does open. Is it open now? No, it isn't open yet. What time is it? The market is about to open in about a minute. All right, so what I can see GU doing is probably coming up here and retesting the structure, probably refilling this imbalance. I can't see that happening. If it doesn't happen, all right, but yeah, I see this potential trend line also here. I'm watching that. on the, okay, let's draw the fib. Let's see if we have a Fibonacci here from the relevant. So I draw it from the highest wick to the lowest wick. All right, and boom. And you see the 0.5 structure. It's on structure. So like I said, I can see GU open bullish. I can see GU opening bullish, and then it's coming up here, probably touching this area, and then Monday when the European market London session. Pardon me, guys. We're rudely interrupted by my alarm. I have an alarm set that whenever the market's open, like, my phone rings off, okay? But yeah, so what I can see in GU, like I said, is basically GU to be bullish for over the next couple hours. But yeah, I think this is the final break into the trend line. Yeah, this is confirmed break. We can probably come up here, retest structure, and then crash back down later this week. But all in all, for over the next, I'm bearish on GU short term. What I would expect right now is if GU is to come up here, I'm taking sells. If GU come back up and test the structure, I'm taking sells all day. We're selling it all the way down. So yeah. Yeah, guys. We're bearish GU long term. We're bearish GU right now. At least, yeah, we're long term bearish GU because we do expect you to go down to 1.15 like I've been preaching. All right. But yeah, so long-term GU is to 1.15. How do I know? 0.25. On the 0.52, we had the reversal last week, and yeah, and this is also lines up with. If we look on the monthly, what does that line up with? Pre-COVID levels. March 2020, before all hell broke loose. So yeah, GU to pre-COVID levels. I've been telling people this. Oh my God, GU to pre-COVID level, guys. We're bearish GU, and yeah, see you guys inside the next vid. Let's all make some money together. Leave some feedback, and if I have helped you guys, leave a like, a comment, and a subscribe. See you guys inside the next vid. Peace.